point, we actually do need the rainfall. We just got the latest drought outlook in. It came out this morning. And if you noticed last week, I showed you this as well. And all of the yellow was pretty much along I-10 and just north of I-10. Now we're starting to see that nearing some of our coastal counties. Now the yellow area, it's not too bad. It just means abnormally dry. But we are starting to see some moderate drought over towards Brenham, Somerville, and just west of College Station. So at this point, we actually do need the rainfall. But the question is, are we actually going to get enough to help, or widespread enough rainfall? And I'll take a closer look at that in just a moment. Outside, though, today, not going to see much in terms of rain. It is beautiful outside, full sunshine, temperature coming in at about 85 degrees, 86 closer to our coastline, and then over towards Lake Conroe, full sunshine, 83 degrees. So it will be another pretty day, but it will be a hot one. So let's break down your headlines. Today, yes, near record highs today, kind of like what we've seen over the last few days. We also have an ozone pollution watch in effect for today. Then this weekend, that's when we're going to start to see some slight rain chances return to the forecast. And then next week, we have a cool front rolling in late on Monday, which will make a good portion of next week feel really nice outside. But it will be a hot one over the next, especially the next few hours. 90 degrees by around 2 p.m., 93 heading into that 4 p.m. hour. And that's what we are looking at for your high here in Houston. Houston's record high, 95 degrees. That was set back in 1994. So it's possible we could get very close to that as we head into the afternoon. Also, as we head into the afternoon, we do have to watch out for some unhealthy levels of ozone. If you are sensitive to ozone, you may want to spend the peak afternoon or even into the early evening a little bit more indoors in case you are sensitive to that. But we will keep a close eye on the air quality for you. Outside across the state of Texas, pretty much everybody coming in dry with lots of sunshine. But we could start to see a slow moisture return heading into tonight, going into tomorrow. Maybe enough for an isolated rain shower for our coastal communities. But then that rain chance will start to go up slightly heading into your Friday. Notice, though, the bulk of the rainfall really along our coastal counties. Could we see rainfall closer to I-10? Yes, that will be a possibility, but it's not going to be highly likely. Saturday, that rain chance will go up slightly, but just to a 30% chance. And then we're expecting a 20% chance on your Sunday. The reason being, the deeper tropical moisture looks to actually stay offshore, bringing very heavy rainfall to Florida, and not much heavy rainfall for us. And then as we head into Monday night, that's when we are anticipating our next cool front to make its way into the state of Texas, reinforcing drier air into the region and also bringing in slightly cooler temperatures. Quick look out at the tropics. We have Kirk, we have Leslie, well off into the Atlantic. Lastly, we're keeping a close eye on the Gulf. This area only has a 30% chance of development, and it does look like if anything did try to form, it would get pushed off more to the east. Back here at home, though, we are watching for that slight chance of rain Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then cooler temperatures arrive heading into next week. We'll be right back.